Hello, Mama. Hello, friend. Today I'll try to sing English song. Hello, Mama. Okay, this is my first time for me. Let's listen. You may be happy with the skyscraper, but I'm happy with cabin in the wood. You say you want to go around the world, but I need short time from come home again. And now, sometimes you may be missing someone when you time. Whenever you just go and find him or her. But when I'm tired, there's only one thing had to do something for take that strong again. And now, hello, hết yên you know in กินข้าวแรงแล้วบ่อีพ่อไปหาหมอมาหรือยังบอกน้องแน่ว่าการ์ตูนเอาไว้เที่ยวหนาปาดน้ำตาเงินในกระเป๋ามีไม่ถึงร้อยบ่มีหยังดอกอีแม่ลูกสำบายดี Okay, stop for